All right, so this refactor is timing out on Google App Engine, but it works on Heroku. So we'll have to fix it in the next video. I have an idea, but anyways, in the A server section, inside the ice cream section, we have a monkey wrench macro here, and then we have our executor function for the function A server get self aim. And the get self aim function is going to get atomic ivmmo.js unedited. It's going to give us the actual file that we're in as a string. Here's the acceptor function that is provided to us by the JavaScript framework. We do not define this function pointer, but it is a function pointer, and we use it for when the promise resolves. The source file is going to be thought of as the client.js file. It's going to be thought of as the client file. This file is both the client and the server, but in different contexts, it's either a client or a server. In this context, it's the client file. So we're going to read a file. We're going to use this file name. We have the error object and the input contents of the file. The output contents of the file will be set to a custom null type. If we have an error, then the output file will just be this can't get aim source. Otherwise, the output file will be the input file, and we use the acceptor with that output file. Here is the actual body of the A server get self aim function. So it's just a never no promise that wraps the executor we just looked at, and then it returns a promise. Down here in the server handler function within the Node.js environment, right, the yes node environment, in our handler function, we have a call to A server get self aim right here within the path /atomic ivmmo. So we're going to get the contents of the file, and then we are going to pre-process it. So this error object is never an error now. It's always 0. So we should never hit this branch of code. And then here's all of the pre-processing that we were doing in the first place. And then here is where we return our response with the contents of the file as UTF-8. So that's all we did in this video. Here's what we did previously. And then we have all our footnotes and whatnot, but we got to get out of here. So like, subscribe, send money in the mail.